Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, about 24 hours ago, so that is where the green lines here are coming from. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look different, but my goal here is to keep the video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about some general levels, and then, circling some questions around them, and then based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of things. And if you watched yesterday's video, nothing really new to update. Confirm would definitely be probably more of an accurate word. The main point of confirmation right here at the pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. And that also brings about the first question you need to ask yourself. So let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one is just, where's the price at relative to this pink line? You can see that this area, including over the past 24 hours, has been pretty stubborn towards the price. So that is certainly the near-term level of resistance that needs to have an eye kept on. Now, if you were answering the question 20 hours from now that the price is up above the pink line, that's just a sign that the bulls are not only having a very healthy 24-hour period, they're actually in the middle of a completely new breakout. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is still below the pink line, that doesn't mean that the chart's broken. That doesn't mean that anything's ruined with it. It just doesn't mean that the chart is as bullish as what it could be. So again, that'll be that first question. Now, if you are answering that the price is still down below that pink line, the next key question to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this green line right here, which is valued at 6,400? So that is question number two. If you are answering the question that the price is still up above 6,400, so in other words, the price is below that pink line, but up above 6,400, then one word could summarize that current price action. That would just be consolidation. At that point, that would be implying that the price is just simply still kind of chugging away in this sideways pattern here. And that's not bullish, that's not bearish, that's just, a neutral type movement of price. Now, if you are answering the question, and I doubt this would be the case, but if you're answering the question that the price is down below 6,400, at that point, that would be telling you that the bears have all of a sudden woken back up and are really starting to take control of the chart again, and that would not be a good sign at all for the chart. But as it stands right now, it's looking like there would be a higher likelihood of the price getting up above that pink line, but that still all remains to be seen. So again, if you're watching this 20 hours from now, ask yourself those questions, and that'll keep this video and the chart as a whole relevant for as long as possible.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.